Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this MOOSOO upright pet vacuum. Now they were nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. So we'll do a quick little tour and then we'll test this bad boy out. Now, as stated, pet vacuum, upright, it does have a HEPA filter. You have 5 height adjustment settings. I did weigh this, and it's about 15 pounds for those interested in that. We come around. I thought it was kind of hard to tell in the pictures the exact routing of the hose, so I definitely want to show you that. So it plugs in right here, and you can just pull it straight out. And then it goes up and over here, and then around. Did all that make sense? There you go. And then it goes right here. And there's a little clasp that holds that in place there. On the left side, you have the storage for your extension wand and then a long handle crevice tool. And then you have your little brush attachment right here. Now the power cord is not retractable, obviously. It just wraps up here. And I know people are going to ask, so let me measure how long this cord is. Measured the power cord, it is 24 feet. Now let's do some vacuuming. Now this is my little buddy's favorite spot on the couch. So we're going to see how it cleans up his dog hair. First we're just using this little crevice tool with the extension wand. And this thing's got some serious suction. Check that out. Well, I'd say it's a real good improvement from where we started. Also, check out how much I can stretch this hose out. I got to be 10 feet or more away from it, which is really nice. I have another vacuum that's got like a 2-foot reach. It's the most annoying thing I've ever used in my life. This, we got plenty of wiggle room here. Now we're all done. This button here is our release. Easy one-handed operation there. Then we have a little button right here. And we're done. So there it is, the MOOSOO upright pet vacuum. Thanks for watching.